Alright guys, we're going to watch a quick video on how to properly install and seal an end cap. So first step here is to just push the end cap on as tight as you can so it's not loose on any part of the gutter. Then you'll take your crimps and you'll crimp the back on two spots, one high and one low. If you do them in the middle, then the top and bottom will become loose. Do it at the top and bottom. And then the bottom, you do it again on the right and left, far right, far left, not just in the middle, so that it becomes secure all the way around. The last place you'll crimp it is the very top corner on that rounded part. Then you'll take your caulk, seal all the way to the top on both sides. And then you will take your spreader here and make sure you leave the caulk thicker here all along the edge. If you go super thin, then that end cap it can become loose, as well as the caulk will not be thick enough and it can crack. So make sure you leave that thick all the way along this bead, all the way up, and then just thin it out towards the gutter. And that's how you seal an end cap and properly install one. Thank you. Hopefully that helps.